Ready, steady, go!
Yay!
What's going on? I'm going backwards.
You're in the lead, Zoo! Yay!
Oh, I had it the wrong way round.
Come on, Zoo! That won't make it go faster, Pock. Pock, my sail's fallen. The rope has come undone. Well done, Pock. Yay!
Yeah. But that's not fair.
Now, Zinnia, your boat has an engine. Zoo needs the wind to power his boat.
Oh.
Seaweed! Be careful, Zinnia!
It's fine, Mummy. I don't want to lose time. My boat can do it. Oh!
Go into reverse, Zinnia. That should get you free.
Oh, all right. Thanks, Grandpa.
I think you're going the wrong way, Zinnia. Come on, Zoo. Zinnia's far behind now.
At last! Right, Zoo. Get ready. Here I come. See you later, Zoo.
Oh.
Come on, Zoo. Don't give up. It's not over yet.
Zinnia, you made my boat all wobbly.
Sorry, I didn't mean to, Zoo.
Zoo, it's going to sink. I can't look.
It's a strong boat, Zoo. It'll be fine, you'll see.
If you say so, Grandpa.
Oh, that's better.
It stopped rocking. Phew.
I told you it'd be fine. The wind's carrying it along nicely. Keep going. You're doing great, Zoo.
Faster, faster. Come on, boat. No!
Oh, Zinnia!
No! Go forward, you silly boat. No, oh. No, oh. Don't do that.
Oh, look, Zoo. You're in the lead.
Wow, your boat is going so fast. Yay! Look, Zach, there it goes. Yay! I can't see it. Nor can I.